Today we're diving into something huge in the wearable tech world, the brand new Garmin Fenix 8 Pro series. These devices are creating massive buzz, and for good reason. Garmin has taken everything people love about the Fenix line: rugged durability, precision GPS tracking, and outdoor sports focus, and added powerful upgrades like LTE connectivity, satellite communications, and a cutting-edge micro-LED display. This makes the Fenix 8 Pro lineup not just another step forward, but one of the biggest evolutions in the world of outdoor smartwatches. In this long, detailed breakdown, I'll be unboxing every available model in the Fenix 8 Pro lineup, going through the sizes, designs, pricing, and display technology. We'll also touch on performance expectations, battery life, and how these watches compare to the earlier Garmin Fenix 8 models. And yes, I'll highlight the all-new Garmin MicroLED smartwatch display, which is brighter and sharper than anything we've seen before. So if you're an athlete, a hiker, a runner, a triathlete, or just a tech enthusiast, stick around because this is one of Garmin's most exciting launches in years. Garmin Fenix 8 Pro lineup. What's new? The Fenix 8 Pro series is designed with multiple models to suit different users. For the first time ever in Garmin's flagship outdoor lineup, we get LTE and satellite communication support. This means you'll be able to stay connected in remote areas, send safety messages, and access emergency services without relying solely on your phone. This is a huge win for explorers, climbers, and endurance athletes. On top of that, Garmin has introduced a micro-LED model alongside the AMOLED versions. The AMOLED display already brought deep contrast and vibrant visuals to Garmin watches, but the micro-LED takes brightness and outdoor visibility to the next level. Garmin actually listed a peak brightness of 4,500 nits, making it one of the brightest smartwatch displays on the market. For anyone training outdoors in full sunlight, that's a game changer. The lineup breaks down like this: Garmin Fenix 8 Pro AMOLED, available in different finishes like natural titanium and carbon gray DLC. Garmin Fenix 8 Pro MicroLED, designed to showcase the next generation of display technology. Every model comes with a sapphire lens, premium titanium materials, rugged durability, and Garmin's trusted GPS and sports features. Unboxing the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. Design and build. The unboxing experience is similar across the lineup. The packaging looks sleek but familiar, carrying that premium Garmin vibe. Inside, you'll find the watch itself, the standard Garmin USB-C charging cable with pin connectors, manuals, and safety documentation. Let's start with the 47mm AMOLED model in natural titanium. The first impression is premium minimalism. The titanium case gives it strength without adding much weight, and the band is a very dark gray, almost black. That feels durable and stylish. On my 185mm wrist, it fits snugly and doesn't feel bulky, which is perfect for daily wear as well as training. Next, we have the 47mm carbon gray DLC version. This one stands out with a slightly different band, black on the outside, gray on the inner side, giving it a two-tone effect. The case itself is darker, with more of a blackened titanium look. When placed side by side with the natural titanium, you can clearly see the contrast in finishes. Both look fantastic, but the choice comes down to whether you want the cleaner smoke gray titanium look or the stealthier black DLC finish. Moving up in size, the 51mm AMOLED model is where you'll notice a difference. It's noticeably larger, on the wrist but still elegant. Both the 47mm and 51mm models share the same 1.4-inch display with 454 x 454 resolution, but the 51mm has thicker bezels and, importantly, longer battery life. On a wrist like mine, the 51mm feels big but manageable. It's similar to wearing earlier Fenix generations like the Fenix 3 HR. Then, we unbox the Fenix 8 Pro MicroLED edition, which only comes in the 51mm size. At first glance, it resembles the AMOLED version with a carbon gray DLC case, black strap, and a splash of red accents on the Start/Enter button. But when you turn it on, the difference is clear. The display is brighter, sharper, and more visible even from off angles. This is the watch that outdoor athletes are going to fall in love with. Display technology. AMOLED versus MicroLED. Now let's Talk displays, because this is one of the biggest differences in the lineup. The AMOLED models are crisp, vibrant, and similar to what Garmin brought to the Epic series. Indoors and outdoors, they look fantastic, and with an always-on option, they're easy to use during workouts. The MicroLED model, however, takes things further. With a reported peak brightness of 4,500 nits, it outshines almost every smartwatch on the market. Outdoors in bright sunlight, the visibility is unmatched. It also performs better at off angles, which is key when glancing at your watch mid-run or while cycling. The only trade-off is battery life. While MicroLED can be efficient in some cases, Garmin's implementation here uses more power to maintain such brightness. That means the Fenix 8 Pro MicroLED will not last as long per charge as the 51mm AMOLED model. But if outdoor visibility is your priority, this is a worthy trade. Size, weight, and dimensions. Garmin kept the case diameters the same as the original Fenix 8, 47mm and 51mm. However, the thickness has increased slightly to fit in new features, like LTE antennas and satellite connectivity. The 47mm Fenix 8 Pro AMOLED is about 2mm thicker than the older Fenix 8. The 51mm AMOLED remains close to its predecessor, but still gains some bulk. The MicroLED edition is the thickest, measuring close to 90mm. Despite the added size, the titanium build keeps the weight reasonable, and for outdoor enthusiasts used to rugged watches, the difference won't be a deal-breaker. Garmin Fenix 8 Pro pricing. Here's how the new Fenix 8 Pro series is priced: 47mm. Fenix 8 Pro AMOLED, $1,999 51mm. Fenix 8 Pro AMOLED, $1,299 51mm. Fenix 8 Pro MicroLED, $1,999. This positions the MicroLED as the premium choice, clearly targeting serious adventurers who want the brightest, most durable outdoor display available. Connectivity. LTE and satellite, one of the biggest reasons to why. Upgrade to the Fenix 8 Pro series is connectivity. These are the first Garmin outdoor-focused sports watches to support both LTE and satellite communications. That means even in remote wilderness, you'll have access to emergency messaging, location sharing, and certain connected features. For ultra-runners, mountaineers, or travelers who spend long stretches away from reliable cell service, this could be a life-saving addition. It also expands Garmin's role from being just a fitness tracker to becoming a true adventure safety tool. Battery life and performance expectations. While the AMOLED models are expected to maintain Garmin's reputation for long battery life, the MicroLED model is where you'll see reduced endurance. Mirrors AMOLED, excellent daily performance, solid GPS tracking hours. AMOLED, even better longevity, especially useful for multi-day adventures. Slimmer MicroLED, shorter lifespan due to the brighter screen, but still respectable compared to mainstream smartwatches like the Apple Watch Ultra or Samsung Galaxy Watch. This balance between display, brightness, and battery endurance is something every user will need to consider before choosing a model. Final thoughts: the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro series is easily one of the most ambitious smartwatch launches of the year. Garmin has managed to combine rugged durability, advanced fitness tracking, next-gen display technology, and true remote connectivity in a package that appeals to serious athletes and outdoor adventurers. The choice really comes down to your needs. If you want balance, the 47mm AMOLED is sleek, lighter, and versatile. If you prioritize battery life, the 51mm AMOLED is the champion. And if you want the brightest, most visible screen for extreme outdoor use, the MicroLED edition is worth the premium. That wraps up this detailed Garmin Fenix 8 Pro unboxing and first look. I'll be doing a follow-up deep dive video covering all the new features, software updates, and connectivity options in action. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay active, stay connected, and I'll see you in the